How to use VLOOKUP in Excel for exact match. Imagine you're trying to find a specific product code in a long list and want to see its price right away. Or maybe you need to match employee IDs with their names quickly. If that sounds familiar, you're about to learn a simple way to do it in Excel. VLOOKUP is a powerful tool that helps you find data in a table based on a value you already know. But sometimes, you want to make sure it finds only an exact match, not something close. That's where understanding how to set VLOOKUP for an exact match becomes really helpful. First, you need to know the basic structure of the VLOOKUP function. It looks like this: =sign VLOOKUP, then for parts inside parentheses. The first part is the lookup value, which is the data you want to find. Next is the table array, which is the range of cells where your data lives. Then comes the column index number, which tells Excel which column to pull data from once it finds a match. Lastly, there is an optional part called range lookup. This is where you tell Excel if you want an approximate match or an exact one. For exact matches, you always want to set range lookup to false. That's the key. When you do this, Excel searches only for a value that matches your lookup value exactly. If it doesn't find one, it shows you the error NA, which means no match was found. Let's go through how to set this up step by step. First, organize your data so that the column you want to search in is on the far left of your table. This is important because VLOOKUP always searches the first column of your table array. Then, pick the cell where you want the result to appear. Next, type your VLOOKUP formula. For example, if you want to find the city for a client ID in cell G2, and your data is in columns A through D, with IDs in column A and cities in column D, you would write is equal to VLOOKUP, G2, A1 D100 for false. Press Enter after typing the formula. Excel will now look for the exact ID in column A and return the city from column D. If it doesn't find an exact match, it will show NA. Remember, the lookup value must be in the first column of your table array for VLOOKUP to work properly. Using false for the last argument makes sure you only get exact matches, which is perfect when you're dealing with unique identifiers like employee IDs or product codes. If you have multiple entries with the same ID, VLOOKUP will return the first one it finds. This method is very useful when you need precise data retrieval without errors caused by approximate matches or unsorted lists. So, whether you're managing a list of customers, products, or employee records, setting VLOOKUP to find exact matches makes your work faster and more accurate. Just remember to organize your data properly and always specify false for the range lookup argument. That way, you can confidently pull the right information every time.